Hey guys, are you looking for the perfect telephoto zoom lens to capture wildlife, sports, or action shots? Look no further. In this video, we're diving deep into the best 150, 600mm lenses you can buy in 2024. We'll be comparing top contenders from Sigma, Tamron, Olympus, Nikon, and Canon to help you find the perfect fit for your camera and budget. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Sigma 150, 600mm f5 to 6.3 DG/DNOS Sports. This lens represents a refined iteration tailored specifically for Sony and Leica L shooters. Boasting a robust build and stellar internal optics, this lens stands as the go-to choice for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance in the 150, 600mm range. Crafted with 25 elements arranged in 15 groups, the optical design of this lens ensures remarkable sharpness across its extensive zoom range. While some corner fall-off is inevitable, it's negligible and easily overshadowed when shooting with a shallow depth of field. Autofocus capabilities are commendable, though optimal camera setup is essential for harnessing its full potential. The lens's build quality is equally impressive, although it's not the lightest. It handles gracefully, featuring tactile zoom and focus rings. Additionally, onboard controls allow for fine-tuning of functions such as AF speed, stabilization intensity, and, in a notable addition exclusive to the mirrorless version, zoom torque control for adjusting the resistance of the zoom ring. This lens not only delivers on performance, but also embodies a thoughtful design tailored to meet the demands of discerning photographers in the Sony and Leica L ecosystems. Number 2. Tamron SP 150, 600mm f5 to 6.3 DVC USD G2. Tamron's G2, Generation 2 edition of the 150, 600mm lens represents a comprehensive upgrade across various aspects of its design, handling, and performance. With an increase in the number of LD, low dispersion elements from 1 to 3, and the addition of BR, broadband anti-reflection coatings alongside the existing E-band, extended bandwidth and angular dependency coatings, internal reflections are effectively suppressed. The enhanced autofocus system delivers swifter performance, adept at tracking moving subjects with precision. Additionally, the redesigned VC, vibration compensation system, offers class-leading 4.5 stop effectiveness, featuring 2 switchable modes, one for panning and the other for stabilizing exposures, particularly beneficial for tracking erratic movements. However, it's worth noting that the optical stabilizer is exclusive to the Canon and Nikon mount editions. For users of the Sony avid edition, reliance on in-camera stabilization is necessary. Alternatively, for Sony mirrorless cameras utilizing the E-mount, the Tamron 150, 500mm f5 to 6.7 Di3 VC VXD is recommended. Number 3. Olympus OM System. Mzuiko 75, 300mm f4, 8 to 6.72. You might be skeptical about seeing a 75, 300mm lens in this lineup, but don't be quick to dismiss the Olympus Mzuiko 75, 300mm f4, 8 to 6.72. As a micro four thirds lens, its 2x crop factor transforms its focal length into the equivalent of a 150, 600mm lens on a full-frame camera, a significant reach. While it may not match the razor sharpness of professional full-frame lenses, especially at the narrower end, this lens perfectly complements the strengths of micro four thirds systems. Weighing just over 400 g and roughly the size of a large beer can, it's a fraction of the weight of a full-frame 150, 600mm lens, making handheld shooting effortless. Moreover, its compact dimensions accommodate a smaller 58mm filter thread, in contrast to the hefty 95mm thread on the Tamron G2, resulting in more budget-friendly filter options. In our tests, we discovered numerous merits to this lens. Like any telephoto zoom, it requires mindful usage for optimal results, but given its budget-friendly price point, it's a valuable addition to any micro four thirds shooter's arsenal. Number 4. Nikon Z180, 600mm f5, 6 to 6.3 VR. Nikon's answer to the 150, 600mm focal length, the Nikon Z180 600mm f5. 6 to 6.3 VR stands out as an exceptional lens. Garnering a perfect 5-star rating in our review, it delivers tack-sharp image quality across the entire zoom range. Despite its substantial size, the lens remains relatively lightweight, allowing for extended handheld shooting sessions. Notably, the inclusion of 4 customizable function buttons positioned conveniently under the thumb enhances user experience and versatility. A standout feature of this lens is its optical VR, vibration reduction system, boasting an impressive 5.5 stops of effective compensation. This ensures handheld shooting at the telephoto end is highly feasible, maximizing the utilization of the lens's remarkable sharpness. Whether capturing sports, wildlife, or any other telephoto subject, the Nikon Z 180 to 600mm f5. 6 to 6.3 VR emerges as the top choice for Nikon Z camera users seeking to approximate the 150, 600mm focal range. Number 5. Canon RF 100 to 500mm f4. 5 to 7. 1L is USM. Introducing the Canon RF 100, 500mm f4, 5 to 7. 1L is USM, a pioneering super telephoto zoom lens designed specifically for EOS R system mirrorless cameras. Crafted with Canon's renowned L-series build quality, this lens is engineered to endure challenging shooting environments, boasting a specialized heat shield coating to excel in extreme weather conditions, be it scorching heat or freezing cold. Its advanced 5-stop image stabilization system ensures crisp and clear shots even in handheld situations with slower shutter speeds and under low-light conditions. Although it may not match the extensive reach of a 150, 600mm lens at the telephoto end, the Canon RF 100 to 500mm compensates admirably with its wider tele setting, offering flexibility in capturing distant subjects. Its exceptional optical performance and ergonomic design make it a versatile tool for photographers seeking professional-grade results. With the Canon RF 100 to 500mm, photographers can explore a wide range of shooting scenarios, from wildlife and sports photography to astrophotography and more. For a detailed analysis and comprehensive review, delve into our full Canon RF 100 to 500mm review and discover the capabilities of this remarkable lens that expands the possibilities of EOS R system mirrorless cameras. So, which 150 to 600mm lens reigns supreme? It depends on your specific needs and priorities. We've covered a wide range of options, from budget-friendly picks to feature-packed powerhouses. Consider factors like image quality, autofocus performance,